Hello, artists. So last week, you guys made a drawing using your name to create shapes. We used lines that touched one another to create shapes of letters. And then we filled the background in with various lines. We'd been learning a lot about different kinds of lines, bumpy lines, zigzag lines, curvy lines, to create shapes in the background. If you have not finished this piece yet, you probably want to stop the video, make your bubble or block letters with your name to fill the page, and then draw lines to the edges of the paper from your letters to create shapes in the background. Also, I'd like you to outline it with something black, a black marker, black crayon, a black Sharpie, whatever you have that's black, even a black colored pencil. Or you could push hard with a regular pencil to make those lines dark, kind of like a coloring book. That's what we're going for. So once you have this piece finished, your name, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take colors. Now you get to add the fun colors. So you could use crayons, markers, again, whatever you want, colored pencils. And you are going to use various lines to fill in the shapes of your letters. And then here's this curly line, here's a bumpy line, zigzag line, a stair line, or a box line is what some of my students are calling this. So in your letters, use lines that repeat to create a pattern to fill in your letters, the shapes of your letters. Then once you have your lines in your letters, then you're going to put shapes back here in these shapes. Shapes that again are repeating to create patterns. Come up with some unique shapes. Like this is almost like a letter. This one is sort of like a quotation mark. Maybe a teardrop. That kind of looks like a teardrop. Also quotation marks. The Nike swish. So you can come up with your own shapes. You could even do what I call freeform shapes. Shapes that look like spilt milk, that just kind of happen. Those are fun shapes to do. Then once you have shapes that repeat to create patterns in the background shapes, then you are going to use your crayons or your markers or your colored pencils, and you're going to color them in. You can either color in the shapes or the background, or both. So you're the artist. Think about balancing those colors. I like this one here, how there's color in the background shape here, and then creates a nice diagonal, visual diagonal with background color here and here. And then the rest of the background is white. But the colors are balanced, pink here, pink there, a little red here, red there. So it moves your eye around using the color. Anyway, have fun doing this, artists. I sure enjoyed this. It was a lot of fun. Go slow, take your time, and create something beautiful that maybe you could hang on your bedroom door.